Well guys, welcome back to Song with Sandy. I want to take a minute here to show you something that I came across in my travels that really has helped me a lot, especially when I'm trying to maintain equipment. Now, lots of different equipment has grease fittings on it, and I always find grease fittings, they're great. They're great for maintaining whatever it is that you're trying to maintain, tractor, ATV, driveline, whatever. But the problem with them is keeping the grease fitting, keeping the end on the grease fitting, so keeping the grease gun attached to the grease fitting. That is until I found this, and this is an old grease gun, but if you notice the end here, so if you can see that end, you can see the name on there. Basically, this is made by a company called Gurtech, all right? So this particular product, you buy just the end and you can thread it onto your existing grease gun. What's great about this thing is, so watch this spring move. So when I press this lever, the spring compresses, this lock mechanism drops down, and what it allows you to do is to actually lock on. So if you can imagine this as the grease fitting, it locks on to the grease fitting. Now it says that this will hold several thousand pounds. So it will actually lock onto that grease fitting and it won't let go. My experience in the past is, especially with real clogged up grease fittings, no matter how much I clean it or how much heat I put to that grease fitting, some I just can't get grease to go into. This unit, I have not had that problem, and I've used it a lot. That's why it's dirty. So this thing, you basically screw it on, then you can use it. You depress this, you move up to the grease fitting, put it over the grease fitting, let go of it. It's now locked on. You can take your hand off the end and just go back to the pump away, and then you simply disconnect it. This thing is amazing, especially for hard to reach grease fittings, where you're reaching up, and if you had to hold the actual coupler onto the fitting, you'd be having one heck of a time. This thing has definitely solved my problems. I think it's about 40 bucks on Amazon. I was skeptical too, but I would buy this again. Right? So that's it's by Gurtech. So I figured I better give some credit where credit's due, and it's definitely due here. Anyways, thanks for checking this out. Next time we'll show you a few other things. We'll head out to the bush and we'll go from there. So enjoy the rest of your day, folks. Thanks.